Look here for great ideas about dogs that anyone can simply follow. Is there anything about looking after your dog that is troubling you? Some often feel slightly overwhelmed by their dog. Other people may feel like they have a pet that just isn't going to behave. Continue watching to learn more about how to make living life with dogs easier. Always give your dog plenty of attention and affection. When your dog behaves properly, make sure you let the dog know you are happy and give them some affection. This will help reinforce the good behavior and the dog will try to behave in this manner for the positive attention. Never allow your dog to ride in a car unsecured. Sitting on your lap or in the front seat is dangerous both to him and your ability to drive. Always place him in an appropriately sized pet carrier or invest in a pet seat belt that will keep him snug and safe in the middle of the back seat. Refrain from making the training sessions with your dogs too long. Extended sessions can make a dog tire out and become bored easily when you are trying to teach them new things. Limit your training sessions to 20 to 30 minutes, as this will help to keep the full attention of your dog. Avoid impersonating a medical professional when it comes to your dog's health. In an attempt to save money, many people try to diagnose their pet's conditions or use human treatments on various elements, and that can be very dangerous to the animal. If you can't afford full vet care, tell that to the doctor and ask their advice anyway, or if they could arrange a payment plan for you. As someone who owns a dog, you know that a dog can keep you busy. Being a pet owner can take quite a bit of time out of your day. Now that you've looked over the tips here, you have more ideas to help you deal with any problem that comes along. This will cause a lot less stress on your part. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.